Ayan. So, yan ma'am. Ito na po yung setup ng kiosk natin for the salon. Ito ma'am, nilagay na natin yung mga pictures of your business. Slideshow siya. So, this is composing of 12 pictures and you can actually see, you can see here yung mga samples ng business natin, the offers that we provide. So, andito na siya. So, if your customer wanted to order ma'am, tap lang nila yung start para makita yung mga list of services natin. So, this one po, pwede tayong maglagay ng unlimited services. So, automatically, it gets redirected. So, I have here your service menu or category po. Meron tayong lashes, meron tayong manicure, and then, we also have here our list of colors kasi based doon sa instruction, ito yung mga list of colors natin. For the pedicure, we also have it here. So, we have the list of colors as well. And then, yung ating waxing. So, andito na din siya. So if, of course, yung customer natin, if they want to avail a specific service po, tap lang po nila yung service natin. And then, just tap OK. And if they want to add notes, baka lang may mga notes tayong gustong idagdag, they can also do that one. So I'll select my pedicure as well. So meron din tayong add-ons dito. So you can actually add based on the instruction. It's either nail art or nail coating po. So if we're going to select nail art po, tap lang po natin yung nail art. Automatically, there will be a check mark here and then tap lang natin yung OK. So sa lashes naman po ma'am, you can just tap whichever is you want to put and then makikita na din natin dito lahat yung mga list. If gustong i-cancel naman ni client po, click lang natin, slide lang natin siya papunta sa left, automatically gets deleted. They will see their total amount already here. So very direct to the point, confirm, tap OK. They can pay between Globe or GCash or cash. Tap lang nila yung cash. Automatically magpiprint naman dito yung ating order or yung ating service order. So here you will see the logo of the store, the details of the services that they want to get. So, we've already set up your kiosk order taking po for self-service salon business.